When installing a drinking system, majority of them are installed below the sink. That is typically the easiest way to do it and most cost-effective way to do it. There is a downside to that, and you do lose some space under your kitchen cabinet, especially if it's a reverse osmosis system, which has a storage tank. Here at Purahome, by the way, we don't really suggest you drink reverse osmosis systems. You can call us to find out why. But when you do install it below the kitchen sink, the risk is that bumping it, changing the filters, you might not seal the cartridges properly, and you could have a slow leak that perforates through the floor into the basement, and you can get water damage. When possible, we like to install drinking systems in the basement if you have a good space below the kitchen, whereby we can install a system in your floor joists, in a utility room, or in the basement below the kitchen sink, and run a feed line that has the filtered water up through the floor to your kitchen tap. So now it's easier to change your filters. They're in the basement, and if something happens whereby you don't seal the housing properly when you change the filters, it's dripping right into your basement instead of through your cabinets, damaging your cabinets and floor. So yeah, drinking systems can be installed in a basement. And again, it's always important to make sure you meet code when you do installs. So deal with a company you trust. And again, if you ever have any questions, we highly recommend you give us a call here at Purahome.